Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura Giga 10. Came into the shop for a couple issues. One of them was like it had a refill loop. If for some reason it wouldn't prime, it would continuously say free fill. And there was some issues with the actual coffee that was coming out. And they even reported grounds showing up in the coffee itself, which is definitely not supposed to happen. To fix this, ultimately, we just did a tune-up of the machine. Basically, there are gaskets in here, and there are gaskets in here that are responsible for keeping, sealing off certain areas to keep water going where it's supposed to go. So, we cleaned out the brew unit and then replaced mainly this gasket right here, which is a brew unit gasket. You can see it's discolored. It's lost some of its pliability. So we ended up replacing that with a new lubricated one. Then also I ended up replacing the shower screen or diffusion screen. As you can see here, there's just a bunch of grounds like stuck in the actual holes themselves. We made it really difficult to clean, especially without like bending it. So ultimately, we're just gonna replace that, and now we have a fully functioning machine. So with all the blockages cleared, after we cleaned it, running the cleaning cycle, running the descaling cycle, it should be running all good now. So I'm just gonna make an espresso right here. It's heating up. Grinding. And now it's starting to pump. That's a good 1.5 ounces, basically right on the line. There we have it. Nice and strong. You can see barely any light gets through there. And you can see there are no grounds inside. So the machine's all fully primed. It's making good espresso. Alright, that's about it for this video. Now, if you found it useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.